In this video, I'll show you how to add a new contact in WhatsApp step by step. First, open your WhatsApp application. On the main screen, tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner to access contact options. Now, tap on New Contact to start adding a contact in WhatsApp. Next, enter the contact details, like the name and phone number. Make sure the number is correct and includes the country code, especially if it's an international number. After that, WhatsApp will automatically check if the number is linked to a WhatsApp account. If the account exists, you'll be able to message them instantly. Now, tap on Save to store the contact on your phone. Once saved, go back to WhatsApp, refresh your contact list if needed, and you'll see the new contact ready to chat. That's how you add and save a contact in WhatsApp quickly and easily.